superintendent since Harvey Polanski worked out a deal to leave in the midst of a sexual assault scandal. His son is accused in a deadly accident involving a teenager. Now a Windsor Locks police sergeant faces charges of his own connected with his son's case, who was also on the Windsor Locks police force at the time. News 8's Annie Rourke on the scene at Hartford Superior Court, where Robert Koistinen appeared before a judge.
First the son, now the father. Both are Windsor Locks officers. Both are now charged in this case. 53-year-old Sergeant Robert Koistinen was accompanied by his son, former Windsor Locks police officer Michael Koistinen. Neither spoke as they went into Hartford Superior Court. Inside, the sergeant pled not guilty and opted for a jury trial. The case was continued. All this dates back to October 30th when the son hit and killed 15-year-old Henry Dang on Spring Street in Windsor Locks. Dang had been biking home. Koistinen had apparently been drinking shots and a mixed drink at the Suffield Tavern. His father was on duty and first on the crash scene, but he and the two other responding officers did not do a sobriety test.
The 911 caller said, "I think that he's drunk." Then the first responding investigator on the scene would have seen that there was a 30-pack of beer in the back seat of the car, a half-empty bottle of brandy behind the driver's seat.
Koistinen is now charged with hindering prosecution and interfering with an officer. He apparently kept his son in his car on the scene, then prevented officers from going into his hospital room. A blood alcohol test was also not done at the hospital.
When he was at the hospital, all he did is convey what the attorney advised his son, and that is don't talk to anybody. So he was essentially communicating that his son was invoking his constitutional rights.
The victim's family is now suing the Suffield Tavern, which has closed, the police department, and the town for not investigating properly. They believe there was a cover-up. Dang's family was not in court today.
You know, we just got through the holidays, and they're having a real hard time of it.
Again, he pled not guilty in the case. Sergeant Koistinen will be back in court February 10th.